Alright guys, today we're looking at the Apek 5.2. This is the Advanced Personal Escape Kit. It's a necklace that lets you carry restraint and emergency escape tools discreetly under your shirt. So we have a few things to talk about in regards to the necklace. First thing is this, it's a breakaway clasp. So it's good for two things. One is that it's easy to take off quickly in case you need it. You just pull it and it opens. And second, if someone tries to choke you with it or it gets caught on something, the clasp will break open and you can escape. So you kind of just, if it's on your neck, you just pull and it opens. Next, we have the actual cord. It's Tech 205 cord. It's basically a friction saw cord. You can use it to cut through non-metal restraints that are illegally placed on you. You got a little handcuff key on here. Right there. It has a shim for zip ties and handcuffs. It has a little glow stick. Basically, you break it and you can activate it in case you're in an area with no light, like when someone is thrown in a trunk, for example. You can turn a light on and basically see your tools and your options for escaping. You have a little tungsten carbide bead right here. It's for breaking glass to escape from a car or break a regular window in case you need to escape from somewhere that has windows. Now, who would have one of these and why? One example is if you're someone who's working in a dangerous profession or working in a non-permissive environment, you can keep this on you and it can help you escape from a kidnapping. Also, for the average person, there are a few reasons why you might want one of these. One, if you live in a dangerous area where the crime rate is high, you can keep one. Maybe give one to your wife, daughter, son, whoever, and teach them how to use it. Another reason might be that you're just someone who takes their personal safety very seriously. You don't have to be living in a dangerous area to want to have some escape tools. And another thing, maybe one day you're driving down the road and someone else is in a car crash, the car catches on fire or rolls over and they can't get out of the car. You can use the bead to break the glass and the friction cord to cut the seatbelt and help the person escape. Now we're going to go out and do some tests. We're going to test it out on a glass bottle. And we're also going to do a zip tie cutting test. Alright, so for testing purposes, for the necklace, we got a glass bottle right there. We're going to try and break it using this. Shouldn't be an issue. This doesn't exactly replicate a window, a car window, but it's still going to give us an idea of its glass breaking capabilities. So let's try it out. Alright, let's try it out. There's the bead. This is what's usually covering it, the pop barrel. So it did crack the bottle, but I didn't hit it hard enough. All right, let's try again. Put a hole in it, a big one. All right, so we're gonna demonstrate trying to cut through zip ties using the escape necklace. What I have to do is put my foot through each of these loops, get it around the zip tie, and basically just move my feet in kind of like a bicycle motion, and the friction should cut through the zip tie. So yeah, let's do that. Hands are in the zip tie. The necklace goes through here. It's gonna take me a little bit. I might have to cut just to make the video go faster, but let's see. Not cut the zip tie, I mean like cut the actual footage a little bit. So let's see what happens. One foot goes through here. There. Other foot goes through the other loop. It's through the zip tie right now. Hopefully you guys can see that. I put it through the middle of the zip tie, and now what I have to do is just move my feet like that. Done. So it actually works for zip ties. Nice. Now let's test out the shim to see if we can open up some zip ties. All you have to do is take the shim, put it through, it'll free up the zip tie, and you just pull and it's open. Simple. Now let's try out the shim on some handcuffs. So it won't open this way. You can pull it. So put that in, put that through, and pull out. There. Handcuffs open. Add the little handcuff key right there. Push it, twist it, and pull. There. This little handcuff key works too. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.